Welcome to Slide Egg. Let's create a cool drone shot animation effect in PowerPoint. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation. Click on Insert, select Pictures, and choose Stock Images. From the options, pick the mountain and hiking image, and click Insert. Now that the image is added, let's remove its background. Select the image, go to the Picture Format tab, and click Remove Background on the left. You'll notice the background turns purple, showing what will be removed. If there are areas you want to adjust, use the Mark Areas to Remove tool to drag over the unwanted parts. For areas you want to keep, use the Mark Areas to Keep tool and drag over them. Once everything looks good, click Keep Changes. Next, adjust the size of the image and move it to the left side of the slide. Next, let's create the animation effect. Duplicate the slide and, on the new slide, slightly increase the size of the main image. At the same time, enlarge the background image to create a zoom effect image and shift it to the right side. Duplicate the slide again. This time, increase the size of the background image even more. Then, reduce the size of the main image and move it to the center of the slide. Duplicate the slide one more time. Move the main image over to the left, and enlarge the background image further to enhance the effect. Once all the slides are ready, select them all and go to the Transitions tab. Apply the Morph transition, set the duration to 8 seconds, and make sure the slides are set to advance automatically. And that's it. The cool drone shot animation effect is ready. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Slide Egg. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative PowerPoint ideas.